When you want to make some serious connections with your customers, you need to use print. I run my own business and I run my own studio. And if you want to know a little secret about graphic design and what your clients want from you, it's not good design. They want to see results, and ideally they want to make money from those results. Then they come back. They don't mind paying you for that. So how are you going to get those results for your clients? How do you get clients to keep coming back to you because you give great results? I believe print is the answer. Not only making digital campaigns, just getting out of that clutter and making sensory connections, you will see massive results for both you and your client. So I want you to start thinking differently. I want you to think, how can you get in touch with your customers? Are there places in their journey where you could make some physical connections? Because those connections have massive results. If you can contact more than 3 of the senses, you're going to be remembered 70% more. It's a wonderful way to get additional income for your business. It creates that ongoing work that we're always looking for as designers. I've been running my own studio for 17 years and I could not imagine not having clients return for print work. Not only does it bring them back to you when they need more reprints, it creates extra income when you're making a markup on the print. It's a wonderful way to generate an ongoing income for your business. When we're starting off deciding what printer to use, we've got to know the right questions to ask. One, if we're doing it for ourselves, we need to know what size, what we're expecting, what stock options. Now, you don't have to know the answer to these because some of them will be dependent on price. And also, once you know them, you can actually change your designs depending on price. You'll know if there's limitations on what you have to design. So it's definitely worth getting a print quote before you do projects. You don't want to get carried away designing spots and finishes that are not going to be affordable for your client. Then they're going to be disappointed with the results and think, oh, I wish I had that. So make sure when you start, you find out from your client, what do they need? Why do they need it? What are they thinking of? What do you think would be the best solution? How are they going to be stored? That's important because if they are big, bulky brochure and you have 1,000 of them, it's important for us to know where they're going to put them and also where they're going to store them before delivery. So do check that out. Can they be delivered direct from the printer, or does the client have somewhere they can put those for you? Then we will go online and have a look at some printing options. If you're thinking at that point in time you need a foil, have a look. Some keywords. I realized it was hard today when I Googled in how to find a printer. You've got a big problem because there's printers that actually print in people's offices. That is causing problems. So the things we're typing in is how to find short run printing, how to find printers for packaging. Have a look on mine. I have got a list of resources. Please get in touch with me. And I'll also put a list of resources out there that will help you find the right printers for you. When it comes to getting the right results for your print jobs, knowledge is the key. The more we understand about the process, the more information we have, the more we can make the right decisions so we get brilliant results and we're happy with the results at the end. During a time when everything's online, having something we can touch and feel, it's almost magical. I get just a little bit too excited when I'm stroking a spot gloss on the front of a book, or I'm getting to open that Apple package for the first time. I'm feeling the excitement and the joy. It's such an amazing feeling, the sensory moment. So join me and learn how to get physical with print. I want you to feel confident. I want you to have great results for you and your clients.